Hey there, traveler. Jessica Antonelli here from Draw San Miguel, and I am here on my way to talk to San Miguel de Allende based artist Sofie Engström von Alten.
Hi, my name is Sofie. Welcome to my art space. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a customized business card. So I've prepared my little unicorn army in advance. I personally like to make unicorn business cards because my spirit animal is a unicorn. So you can choose your animal of choice, paint it on a piece of cardboard or carton, and then begin to cut it out once it's dry. Since each one's different, and I painted them a little fast, they're definitely very unique, but that's what makes them special. And I find that my clients and friends and everybody else just really appreciate getting a handmade gift when I first meet them because it's more personalized and made with love. So once you have your unicorn all cut out, then you grab your trusty Sharpie and start to outline your unicorn or triceratops or whatever it is that defines you. I normally make mine smiling and friendly. Of course, finish with a heart. Once you have your little unicorn, then you write your name on the back. Oops. Yeah, and then I'll add the rest later.